Hey everybody, Branden Sanchez here. And in this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about the top three metrics of a profitable affiliate marketing campaign. Okay, now before we actually get into the video, guys, if you guys could please like the video, comment, how you like the channel and everything like that, and subscribe, guys. Like it'll mean a lot to me if you guys subscribe. I really do give all of my experience and expertise from media buying, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, just the whole entire, CPA marketing business. And if you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell, you guys can get all of my content. So you guys don't have to spend, the $1 million I've spent in a month, to actually get the same, experience that I did, right? You guys can just learn it on my channel for free, right? So just please like the video. It really helps me out. It encourages me to keep doing these things. I know the channel's small, but it will grow, and I want you guys to go along the journey, all right? And I'm here to help you, okay? So the top three metrics of a profitable affiliate marketing campaign. Okay, as you can see, they're going to be these three things. Okay, it's going to be CPC, which is your cost per click. And number two is going to be EPC, which is your earnings per click. And then three is going to be your ROI, which is your return on investment. Okay, and usually, like when you're buying any type of traffic, or you're buying, you're spending money on advertising all the time. I mean, it's kind of like this. You want to put $1 into the machine to get $2 out, right? Spend $1, make $2, so then that's a dollar profit, right? If it was that simple, it would be a millionaires walking down the street everywhere, right? It's not that simple. But these three metrics are going to be the most important metrics for you guys to understand when creating profitable affiliate marketing campaigns. It doesn't have to go along just affiliate marketing. This can be any type of campaign. If you're running a funnel, if you're running, anything that you're running to, any type of advertising dollars that you're spending, these three metrics are important. It's the most important ones, because number one, if your cost per click is lower than your earning per click, then that means you are actually losing money, right? And then vice versa. If your cost per click is lower than your earnings per click, then you're profiting, right? So the whole game, right? The whole, I guess, idea of what we do is to try to get the lowest cost per click as possible and the highest earning per click as possible. Now, how do we do that? There's tricks to it, right? Now, for one, like to get lower cost per clicks, the best ways that I've experienced is going to be, having better ads, whether you're on AdWords, whether you're on Facebook, wherever you are, on native, it doesn't matter. Like you want to have really solid ads. And like, for example, like if you're on native advertising, like I always recommend REVCONTENT if you're a brand new affiliate, right? Well, with REVCONTENT, like native advertising, its majority is going to be your images. Your images are the biggest factor in determining your CTR, right? It goes your image and then it goes your headline, right? For me, in my experience, and what's worked for me and my team is going to be your images. You want to use really eye-catching images. Like that's what's going to get people's interest going, right? And if you can have really solid images with a really great converting headline, that can be a home run, because one, you're lowering your cost per click, right? And then two, you have a really solid headline that actually makes people buy or makes people leave out their information, right? Really solid tactics. Just if you guys' cost per clicks are too high, try improving your ad CTR. Try improving your ad CTR, okay? Now, with improving your ad CTR, sometimes, with click-through rate, you want to make sure that if your ad CTR improves, but then your conversion rate dips, there's really no point for you to improve the CTR then, because all you're doing is ruining your conversion rate. I'd rather have a basic CTR that converts and makes more sales in the back end, rather than a really high CTR and then a conversion rate that doesn't even make any money at all. Who cares about the CTR? We want to have the conversion rates increase. You see what I'm saying? So always try to find a balance. That's part of our jobs as buyers. That's part of our jobs as affiliates, is to understand, the balance between a really good cost per click, a really good CTR, and then a really good conversion rate in the back end, right? So those are a few ways to actually decrease your cost per click, okay? Now your earnings per click, the best way to increase and have your earnings per click increase is going to be, your campaign's funnel, right? Again, it goes back to how strong your ads are, right? Your how strong your angles are. Now, if you're not familiar with an angle, it's just basically how you're being able to splice into the market with what your headline is saying, right? So always have really solid angles, guys. I can't stress that enough, right? So have a really solid angle. You have to make sure your landing pages are optimized, and then your offer. So basically your ads, your landing page and offer, your whole entire funnel is working properly to the point where you're converting on a really, really high conversion rate, right? That's how you're going to increase your earnings per click, okay? And just a quick tip to increase your EPC, whatever, I'm going to go back to the angle explanation. So if you have a really solid angle, try this. Try putting that angle onto your landing page, right? So whatever it is that you're saying in your headlines, try incorporating that as your main headline on your landing page, okay? For me and my team, that's what works really, really well to be able to boost conversion rates and therefore boosting your EPC, okay? So have a really strong funnel. That's basically what it is. You want to optimize, you want to split test your ads and your landing pages, get the funnel as profitable as possible, right? And then you can have a really solid EPC. Now ROI, obviously, guys, if you guys master lowering your cost per clicks, right? You guys master increasing your EPC, then obviously that's the only way your ROI is going to increase, okay? If you don't know how to optimize, if you don't know to adjust your EPC or EPC, forget about ROI. You're not even there yet. Like, there's levels to being able to have, a profitable affiliate marketing campaign. And exactly what I just told you is how you do it, okay? You want to, decrease your cost per click by increasing your CTR. But remember, there's a balance between having a really solid CTR that makes money and then having a really solid CTR that loses money. You want to have that balance, okay? Try to get the lowest cost per click as possible while having a great conversion rate, okay? Number two, your earnings per click. You want to have, your funnel as profitable as possible, meaning you optimize your ads, you optimize your landing pages, and the offer works really well. And then three, your ROI will increase. So they all work in conjunction together. Okay, you can't just focus on one and then that's it. You have to focus on everything, okay? But if you guys do that, you guys will have a profitable affiliate marketing campaign, and you guys can, start scaling it, throwing more traffic to it, and everything like that. Okay, guys, so top three metrics of a profitable affiliate marketing campaign are going to be your CPC, your EPC, and then your ROI. All right, guys. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, and you guys are interested in affiliate marketing, digital marketing, CPA marketing, and you guys really want to get like a beginner course on how to do these things, well, I've actually have basically a 5-course bundle for affiliates, or if you're a product owner, you're a business owner, you're a coach, consultant, trying to get more clients or sales for your business, I have a full 5-course bundle basically for the price of one right now, and the link in the description below. That way you guys can actually learn digital media buying, not have to spend all the money that I did. I have all my experience, all the knowledge, all the millions of dollars I've spent on advertising in these courses for you guys can just, have it at the tip of your fingers. All right, guys. Now, if you guys are here to the end of this video, go ahead and get that course. Comment, your biggest struggles with your business, and I will be happy to make videos to help you out. Okay, guys? Once again, this is Branden Sanchez. I'll see you in the next video.